Mucho gusto. Hi, my name is Itech Troy. Nice to meet you. Gracias. Gracias means thank you. To say thank you very much, you just need to add muchas before it. Muchas means very or much. Muchas gracias. Now, how do you respond to thank you in Spanish? The most common way is to say you're welcome, which is de nada. Nada means nothing. So de nada mean it's nothing. So we use it to say to mean you're welcome. So when someone say gracias, you can simply reply by saying de nada. Informal greeting is to say hola. Hola means hi or hello. You can use it at any time of the day. Good morning. Good morning in Spanish is buenos dias. Buenos dias means good morning, or buenos tardes. Buenos tardes means good afternoon. This can be used all day as long as it's light outside. When it starts to get dark, you can switch to this. Buenas noches. Buenas noches means good evening or good night, depending on the situation. If you're greeting someone in the evening, it means good evening. If you're speaking to someone before you go to sleep, it means good night. Again, that's buenas noches. Now you can greet people in many different ways in Spanish. Let's review them all again. As a general greeting, hola. In the morning, buenos dias. In the afternoon or in the day, buenas tardes. In the evening or night, buenas noches. Pretty easy, right? Habla inglés. This means, do you speak English? The word habla is a form of the word hablar, which means to speak. This is the formal way to say you speak. Hablar is known as an AR verb because it ends with AR. Most AR verbs conjugate in a similar way. To learn to properly conjure AR verbs like hablar, please check out the beginning series, Spanish101.com. When we add a S to habla, we get hablas. Altogether, we get hablas inglés. This is a informal way to ask, do you speak English? Response you receive could be, sí, hablo inglés. Yes, I speak English. Sí, hablo inglés. Sí, hablo un poco. Yes, I speak a little. Sí, hablo un poco. No, I don't speak English. No, no hablo inglés. No, no hablo inglés. No, I don't speak English. In all of this, hablo means I speak. In the last one, we have no hablo, which is the negative form, which means I don't speak. If you want to ask about a different language, just change the word English. Example, Italiano for Italian, Russo for France, Russia, Allemand for German. The basic phrase for excuse me is disculpe. Disculpe means excuse me. Disculpe un café por favor. Excuse me, a coffee please. Disculpe, ¿dónde está el baño? Excuse me, where is the restroom? Another way to say excuse me is pardon. Pardon. Just like disculpe, we can use disculpe when asking a question or apologizing. Both of these phrases can use or excuse me or I'm sorry. Lo siento. Lo siento means I'm sorry, and it can be used in both formal and informal situation. Lo siento. Lo siento only have the meaning of I'm sorry, and enough, excuse me. If you bump in someone on the street, you say disculpe or pardon.